TBS News, I'm Ron Chang. The total number of confirmed COVID-19 cases in South Korea is nearing 500,000 as the virus and its variants continue to spread rapidly following a brief period last month of eased social distancing rules. The Korea Disease Control and Prevention Agency reported 7,102 new infections from the previous 24 hours, including 20 imported from abroad. 22 Omicron variant cases were also detected for a total of 60. The number of severe COVID-19 patients in ICUs rose by 17 to 857, the highest since the start of the pandemic, while 57 more lives were lost to COVID, pushing the death toll to 4,077. Senior Health Ministry official Son Young-rae said it's still too early to assess the effects of the special COVID restrictions that were implemented this week, but some experts say more tougher measures must be taken now to flatten the infection curve. The chief of the U.S. Centers for Disease Control and Prevention says Omicron has shown to be mild so far. In an interview with the Associated Press, Dr. Rochelle Walensky said the data is still very limited, but among the more than 40 people in the U.S. found to be infected with Omicron, more than 3/4 of them had been vaccinated, but nearly all of them were only mildly ill. Reported symptoms were mainly cough, congestion, and fatigue. Walensky explained that what is generally known is more mutations a variant has, the higher level people need their immunity to fight it. She said, "We want to make sure we bolster everybody's immunity, and that's really what motivated the decision to expand our guidance," referencing the recent approval of boosters for all adults. Vaccine manufacturer Pfizer has said that while 2 doses may not be protective enough to prevent infection, lab tests showed a booster increased levels of virus-fighting antibodies by 25-fold. The company also said blood samples taken a month after a booster showed people harbor levels of Omicron neutralizing antibodies that were similar to amounts proven protective against earlier variants after 2 doses. President Moon Jae-in has congratulated new German Chancellor Olaf Scholz on his inauguration. In a tweet, Moon expressed hope that the two countries will continue to work closely together to develop relations. He also said he is glad to have met Scholz last October in Rome. At the time, Scholz was vice chancellor and was accompanying his predecessor, Angela Merkel, to the G20. Merkel served in the post for 16 years. The head of the social network Instagram has been answering allegations that the app is harmful to children. In testimony to the U.S. Congress, Adam Mosseri said the photo-sharing app did not have a detrimental impact on teenagers. Instagram, he said, rather helped them to deal with hard things in their lives.
I don't believe the research suggests that our products are addictive. Research actually shows that on 11 of 12 difficult issues that teens face, teens are struggling, said Instagram helps more than harms. Now, we always care about how people feel about their experiences on our platform, and it's my responsibility as the head of Instagram to do everything I can to help keep people safe, and we're going to continue to do so.
That's all for now. You're listening to TBS eFM.